Top 5 Best Remote Control Cars. Number 5. Electric RC car Lamborghini Veneno Radio Remote Control Vehicle Sport Racing Hobby Grade Licensed Model Car, headlights glow with forward motion. Red tail lights when car backs up. Set includes a screwdriver for easy assembly. Full function of forward, in reverse, left, right and stop. Frequencies of the controller, 27 MHz. Please kindly note that cars with same frequency can control each other. 1/24 scale size. Approximate dimensions, 19.9 by 8 by 4.5 cm. Officially licensed Lamborghini car. For ages 8 and up. Wheels are made of high-quality rubber. Lamborghini car requires 3 AA batteries and 2 AA batteries for the controller not included. Easy to use rechargeable battery. 8-10 miles per hour speed, remote distance 30 to 40 meters. Amazon products link check in the description. Number 4. Go Stock Radio Controlled Drift Cars. Customer, please note that we Go Stock only authorized Topiazzi US to sell this RC car. 2WD remote control car with a powerful brush 390 motor offering high speed up to 38+ km. Off-road RC car built-in shock absorption system, adopts heavy-duty rugged hollow design rubber tires with independent metal differential and four-wheel independent suspension system, making the RC truck tackle even the toughest gravel terrain. Powerful remote control truck with 2.4G transmitter, 4CH steering system and 2-speed makes easy operation and enable different colored cars racing at the same time without any external wireless interference. RC cars electric equipped with a 9.6 V700 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. 10 minutes pallying time at max speed at 2 hours full charging. Popular hobby RC truck with universal 4CH steering, forward/backward, left, right turn, and 2-speed wheels makes easy operation on all playing conditions. It is perfect gift for children and toy hobbyist. Number 3. Hozum All-Terrain RC Car 9112, powerful and amazingly fast, thanks to the powerful brush 390 motor, largest in class. You can break the speed limit up to 38 km per hour and enjoy the feeling of speed. Superior control experience, with a range of up to 260 feet and highly responsive steering and throttle. The ergonomic transmitter of the radio remote control car ensures superior control. High performance and off-road, 2.4 GHz radio system, S-truck suspension technology, great off-road performance, strong and durable, perfect for specialized operation, like turn, drift, and flip. All-terrain RC car, has no problem going through the sand, grass, wet mud and marshy land, easy to finish and enjoy lots of difficult movement. With the semi-waterproof feature, allowing for play in any weather. Great gift for experienced RC enthusiasts or kids. Reliable after-sale service, 30-day money-back guarantee, 90 days replacement warranty and ready to respond within 24 hours. Number 2. Dusty Inert 1/16 scale electric RC car off-road vehicle, realistic desert buggy looks, it like a real desert buggy and even looks the part thanks to 1/16 scale detailed design, desert buggy style body, roll cage and driver cockpit. 2.4 GHz control system. With 2.4 GHz transmitter, you'll never get any radio interference with this electric car. It is ready to race. Ready to run. All you need to get started are 3 AA batteries for the transmitter. Powerful motor for speeds of 8 to 10 miles per hour on the street, in your backyard and everywhere in between. Easy to use, pistol grip style transmitter. Full function of forward, reverse, left, right and stop. Pistol grip style transmitter make it easy to control even a 5 years kid. 15 minutes battery life, included USB charger gives you the convenience of charging. A bottom-loading battery compartment provides you with easy access to the battery without removing the body and spoiler. Number 1. Traxxas Slash 1/10 scale 2WD short course racing truck with TQ 2.4 GHz radio system, Titan 12-turn 550 modified motor and XL5 escape provides speeds up to 30 miles per hour, waterproof electronics for all-weather driving in water, mud and snow. Includes Traxxas 7-cell NiMH battery with ID technology and 4A 12V DC peak detecting fast charger for reliable charging. The TQ 2.4 GHz radio system's ergonomic design is comfortable for all-day driving and its internal antenna is impervious to damage. Metal Gear Magnum 272 transmission with Revo Spec torque control slipper clutch and hardened steel gears in the differential. Tough Race replica bodies are pre-painted with impact-absorbing bumpers,